Okay, in this video we'll talk about 3 different types of pull-ups that you can start implementing into your training. I'm not sure about this backdrop, but it might be a bit too much on the spectrum, but we'll just roll with it. Okay, so the first pull-up that I wanted to talk about is the regular pull-up. I'm still ill. Okay, I just died coughing for 5 minutes. I've been trying to get this first sentence out, but I keep coughing. I'm still a bit ill. I'm trying not to cough. I'm trying to get this first sentence out without coughing. I'm still a bit ill, but that was the last cough you will hear from this video. I will cut everything out. I will suffer in silence. Okay, so I first wanted to talk about the regular pull-up because it's still one of the most underrated exercises on this planet Earth. The regular pull-up is still used by athletes at a high level, at a low level, at a mid level. It's used by all types of different athletes, and that is because it is a magic exercise. It brings benefits to strength and physique as well, and that is why I would never recommend to completely get it out of your trainings. Even if you just do it as a warm-up, 1 or 2 sets, it is always beneficial for you. So whether you are already very good at pull-ups or you're not very good at pull-ups, keep implementing pull-ups. If you do not know how to do a pull-up, I have a pull-up tutorial. You can watch that. And now on to the next exercise. Next up is the weighted pull-up, and the weighted pull-up is the GOAT of all exercises. And I mean that 100%. It is one of the 3 street lifting lifts next to the weighted dip and the barbell back squat. The weighted dip is the most complete back workout exercise you're ever going to find, and it is used by all professionals of all levels within the calisthenics and weightlifting industry, of course. Now, implementing progressive overload with the weighted pull-up is extremely easy, as you can even put up 1 kg plates, 2.5 kg plates, 5 kg plates, 10 kg plates, and you can slowly increment with very, very small weights, and it will give you the progress that you're going to need. Now, starting from around 10 kgs extra, the weighted pull-up does become quite difficult actually. And if you can only do 10 pull-ups in a row, doing with 10 kgs extra might get you like 5 to 7 only. And once you go towards 20 kilograms, then it's where you will see real results. If you can rep out 5 reps with 20 kilograms, you are well on your way on getting a very strong pull-up actually. A golden strength standard for me would be a pull-up with 40 kilograms extras, as this to me determines you are a well-evolved athlete, and this is one of my goals. And 40 kilogram extra weighted pull-up is actually quite achievable, and all you need is consistency of a few years and you will be there. Please implement the weighted pull-up if you are not implementing it already. Next on the list is the unilateral pull-up, and it is a pull-up where you pull more to one side than the other. With the unilateral pull-up, you're focusing on your one arm pulling strength, and the goal is to get your chin over your hand. So what I would recommend is switching sides while you are repping. So instead of going first 4 reps to the left, I would do 1 to the left, 1 to the right, 1 to the left, 1 to the right. And especially for beginners, as this reserves more energy in the tank. The unilateral pull-up is quite a difficult pull-up actually. And if you do not have 5 consistent pull-ups yet, this exercise will be very difficult. So what I would recommend is slowly building this up, and yeah, like I said before, this is a very good exercise to improve your regular pull-up. Plus, it looks pretty cool in my opinion actually, but if people don't know what you're doing, they might think you have a, a disimbalance. But who cares what other people say? Last but not least, this is the Gironda pull-up, and definitely the most epic sounding pull-up. Now, the Gironda pull-up is actually quite a feat of strength, okay? This is a difficult pull-up, and the point of the Gironda pull-up is that you excessively arching your back while looking up into the sky, and you're holding a quite narrow grip, and you can focusly on purely retracting your scapula and opening up your chest. Like I said before, the Gironda pull-up is very difficult pull-up, and if you can get 1, 2, 3, maybe even 5 reps with this variation, you already have a very strong pull-up. And if you are able to get yourself to 5 Gironda pull-ups and then restart again with your regular pull-ups, you will definitely notice that they have become very easy compared to the Gironda pull-up. So I would definitely give these 3 pull-up variations a try. Try them out for yourself, try them out with friends, and see who is the best at them. I want to wish you good luck in your training, and on to the next video. Goodbye.